In today's cyber threat landscape, organizations are no longer asking if a cyber attack will happen. They're asking when. From ransomware attacks and insider threats to cloud compromises and business email compromise, security incidents are becoming more sophisticated, more frequent, and more costly. But here's the challenge. Even organizations with strong cybersecurity tools often fail during real incidents because their teams lack one critical capability: practice. Welcome to CelsusBit. In this video, we'll explore how tabletop exercises help organizations strengthen incident response readiness, improve communication, reduce confusion during crises, and build cyber resilience through realistic simulations. Whether you're a cybersecurity professional, IT manager, executive leader, or student entering the security field, this guide will help you understand how tabletop exercises prepare teams for real-world cyber emergencies. A tabletop exercise is a discussion-based simulation where teams
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit.
Cyber incidents evolve quickly. During an active breach, organizations face high-pressure, incomplete information, confusion, time-sensitive decisions, public relations concerns, legal obligations, operational disruptions. Without preparation, even experienced teams can struggle. Tabletop exercises help organizations reduce panic during incidents, clarify roles and responsibilities, identify response gaps, improve executive awareness, accelerate containment efforts, strengthen collaboration across departments. At CelsusBit, we encourage organizations to involve multiple business units in these exercises because cybersecurity is no longer just an IT issue. Modern incident response involves security teams, IT operations, legal departments, human resources, executive leadership, public relations teams, compliance officers, third-party vendors. A ransomware attack, for example, may affect customer trust, financial operations, regulatory compliance, supply chain continuity, brand reputation. That's why coordinated response matters. Organizations that practice together respond better together. A well-designed tabletop exercise usually includes several key components. 1. Scenario development. Everything starts with a realistic scenario. Common scenarios include ransomware attacks, phishing campaigns, insider threats, cloud breaches, data exfiltration, distributed denial of service attacks, third-party vendor compromises. At CelsusBit, we recommend tailoring scenarios to industry risks, organizational size, existing infrastructure, regulatory requirements, threat intelligence trends. The more realistic the scenario, the more valuable the exercise becomes. 2. Defined objectives. Every exercise should have clear goals. Examples include testing escalation procedures, evaluating communication plans, measuring response speed, validating backup strategies, assessing executive decision-making, reviewing legal reporting obligations. Without objectives, exercises become conversations instead of learning opportunities. 3. Participant roles. Each participant should understand their responsibilities. Typical participants include incident responders, SOC analysts, system administrators, executives, legal counsel, communications personnel, HR representatives, risk managers. Clear role assignment prevents confusion during the exercise. 4. Facilitators. Facilitators guide the scenario and introduce new developments known as injects. The attacker demands payment. Social media rumors are spreading. Customers cannot access services. Sensitive data appears online. Law enforcement contacts the company. These injects simulate the evolving nature of real incidents. 5. After-action review. This is one of the most important phases. After the exercise, teams discuss what worked well, what failed, what caused delays, which processes need improvement, what policy gaps exist. At CelsusBit, we stress that improvement matters more than perfection. Every exercise should produce actionable lessons. Not all tabletop exercises are the same. Organizations can choose different formats depending on maturity and objectives. Discussion-based exercises. These are conversational and strategic. Teams discuss hypothetical responses without performing technical actions. Best for executives, new response teams, policy validation, initial preparedness assessments, operational tabletop exercises. These are more detailed and tactical. Participants simulate actual workflows and response coordination. Best for security operations teams, incident response teams, cross-functional coordination, technical simulations. These combine tabletop discussions with hands-on technical activities. Teams may analyze logs, investigate alerts, isolate systems, simulate forensic workflows. These exercises provide deeper operational readiness. Hybrid exercises. Hybrid exercises combine business decision-making with technical incident response. At CelsusBit, hybrid exercises are often the most effective because they simulate how technical disruptions impact business operations. Many organizations conduct tabletop exercises incorrectly. Common mistakes include unrealistic scenarios. If scenarios feel disconnected from reality, participants disengage. Exercises should reflect actual threats facing the organization. Lack of executive participation, leadership decisions significantly impact incident outcomes. Executives must understand crisis communication, risk acceptance, legal exposure, financial implications. Cybersecurity is a business issue. No follow-up actions. An exercise without remediation is wasted effort. Organizations must update policies, improve workflows, revise playbooks, train staff, address identified gaps. Overcomplicating the exercise. Exercises should challenge teams without overwhelming them. Start simple, increase complexity over time. Treating the exercise as a test, participants should feel comfortable discussing uncertainties and mistakes. Tabletop exercises are collaborative learning environments. At CelsusBit, psychological safety is essential for honest evaluation and meaningful improvement. Tabletop exercises are not one-time events. They are part of a long-term cybersecurity maturity strategy. Organizations with strong incident response cultures practice regularly, update response plans continuously, learn from real-world attacks, share lessons internally, invest in employee readiness. Cyber resilience is built through repetition. The more organizations practice, the faster they detect threats, the better they coordinate responses, the quicker they recover operations, the lower their financial impact becomes. At CelsusBit, we believe preparation transforms uncertainty into confidence. Because during a real cyber crisis, preparation becomes your greatest defense. Cybersecurity incidents are inevitable. Unpreparedness is optional. Tabletop exercises help organizations strengthen coordination, sharpen decision-making, and improve resilience before real attacks occur. Whether you're protecting a small business, enterprise network, healthcare system, financial institution, or government environment, practicing incident response can significantly reduce the impact of cyber threats. Thank you for watching this CelsusBit cybersecurity training session. If you found this video valuable, like the video, subscribe to the channel, share it with your cybersecurity community. And remember, at CelsusBit, cybersecurity is not just about technology. It's about readiness, resilience, and continuous improvement.